When you do a whole lot for somebody, but ain't nobody doing a whole lot for you, nigga. Every day I go through some pain, nigga. Ain't nobody reciprocating the same energy. This is what I call workshop, so.
Fade away.
Every day I go through this pain, bro. Every day's a struggle, bro. You gotta count your blessings, nigga.
I just gotta let the days fade away. I gotta go ahead and smoke the pain. Took big bro, that shit to my brain. Now I'm out here going insane. And my girl, you know she trippin'. Cause the money, man, I gotta get it. Ooh, why she trippin'? Ooh, why she trippin'? I just gotta let the days fade away. I just gotta smoke that pain away. They took big bro, man, they took my brain. And now I'm out here going insane.
Somebody say it's gon' be okay, I gotta keep my head up. The way I fucking see it's like I'm hit when all this bad. Like I'm tired of being in the struggle. Every day I gotta hustle. Every day I risk my life, feeling like nobody love you. Watch your friends, you think that they really trust you when that money get involved, you think there's gonna be an issue. Everybody on the wave, I ain't into that. All the fuck shit that I did, I wanna take it back. Stuck up in the trap, you know that I'm from Philly. Nigga ran into my car, cause that nigga tried to kill me, no. The way I walk away from that shit, man, I'm still surprised. The way I witness death coming, man, I still survive. Every day I thank the Lord that I'm still alive. Could've been a bad situation, ain't gon' lie.
I just gotta let the days fade away. I gotta go ahead and smoke the pain. Took big bro, that shit to my brain.